Welcome back to MRM Study Circle. I'm going to explain the important chemical reaction of aldehyde. Cannizzaro reaction. This is one of the important naming reaction also. See, this proportionation means this is a redox reaction simultaneously undergoing oxidation as well as the reactions. In this reaction, one molecule is oxidized to corresponding the carboxylic acid and the other which is reduced to corresponding the alcohol. That is called the Cannizzaro reaction. 2 mole of aldehyde reacting with the concentrated sodium hydroxide to give 1 mole of acid and 1 mole of alcohol. See, do not contain alpha hydrogen atoms. Generally, you know that near the functional group carbon is alpha hydrogen. This is the functional group. This is the alpha hydrogen, alpha, beta, gamma, etc. But when you look at this formaldehyde, there is no alpha hydrogen in this molecule. The same way benzaldehyde also. I am going to write the chemical reaction of aldehyde. 2 mole of aldehyde reacting with the sodium hydroxide to give HCONV and CH3OH. This is a formaldehyde. This is the sodium formate. This is the methanol. See here, 2 mole of formaldehyde reacting and gives 1 mole of this is that oxidized and this is the reduced. Benzaldehyde C6H5CHO. 2 mole of benzaldehyde reacting with the sodium hydroxide, 50% of concentrated sodium hydroxide. It gives sodium benzoate to form hydroxy, alkoxide and anion. See, this is a benzaldehyde. This is a carbonyl group. You know that diable moment is there. So oxygen is more electronegativity. So oxygen pull the electron from the carbon. So now carbon and get electrophilic center. So this is a nucleophile hydroxyl group. This nucleophile always attack where the electron density low. Here carbon is electron density low. This is a fast reaction. Fast. This is an anion. Step 2. The anion acts as a hydrogen donor to the second molecule of aldehyde. Now another benzaldehyde. So slow step, rate determining step. Here hydride transfer. So this negative get back to the carbonyl group. This hydride donated to the another aldehyde. This is the anion. See, this is the acid, benzoic acid. And again one more step, third step is there. Here this hydrogen again transfer from here to here, then get the molecule. This hydrogen transfer to here. Next step, third step. See, important. 2-methyl propanol gives Cannizzaro reaction although it has containing 1 alpha hydrogen. This is the alpha hydrogen, and this compound does not give the Cannizzaro reaction, but it gives a halo form reaction. And Cannizzaro reaction is example of disproportionation reaction, and it is also example of the redox reactions. Disproportionation means it is simultaneously undergo the oxidation as well as the reduction. See, formaldehyde oxidation to form the sodium formate, and benzaldehyde reduction to form benzyl alcohol. So this is a cross Cannizzaro reactions. So now I am going to solve some important multiple choice question essence reason which asked the previous exams. Cannizzaro reaction is an example of auto-oxidation. It is type of reaction of aliphatic aldehyde. It is a reaction answered by only aldehydes not containing alpha hydrogen. It is a reaction answered by only aromatic aldehyde. It is a reaction answered by all aldehydes. Actually, Cannizzaro reaction means you should remember that the aldehyde which do not contain the alpha hydrogen. So this is the answer B. In second question, which one of the following undergoes reaction with 50% of sodium hydroxide solution to give the corresponding alcohol and acid? Benzoic acid, you know the structure, C6H5COOH, and butanol. Butanol, this is the phenol, C6H5OH. This is a benzaldehyde. See here, look at benzoic acid do not undergo Cannizzaro reaction. This is that alpha hydrogen is there, so do not undergo this also, and phenol also. Only benzaldehyde undergo the Cannizzaro reaction. So answer is B. A mixture of benzaldehyde and formaldehyde on heating with the aqueous sodium hydroxide solution gives. This is a crossed Cannizzaro reaction or mixed Cannizzaro reaction, this question. So now look at benzyl alcohol and sodium formate. Option A. Option B, sodium benzoate and methyl alcohol. And this sodium benzoate and sodium formate. And here benzyl alcohol and methyl alcohol. The answer is this, because formaldehyde. This is the answer. And next question, the Cannizzaro reaction is not given by dry methyl acetaldehyde, benzaldehyde, formaldehyde. Formaldehyde does not contain alpha hydrogen, benzaldehyde also, and dry methyl acetaldehyde also. Only acetaldehyde contain alpha hydrogen. So acetaldehyde do not give the Cannizzaro reaction. So this is the alpha hydrogen. See, assess in reason. 2,2 dimethyl propanol undergo Cannizzaro reaction with the concentrated sodium hydroxide. So this is the 2,2 dimethyl propanol. This gives the Cannizzaro reaction, and Cannizzaro reaction is disproportionation reaction. Both statement is correct. See, whenever you give the answer for assess reason, you should understand the concept properly. Then you are able to answer correctly. See here, what is the answer given? Option given, both assertion and reason are true, but reason is true explanation of the assertion. And both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Assertion is true, but reason is false. Assertion is false and reason is true. So here the both statement is correct. This also correct. But the reason is not correct explanation of the statement 1 or assertions. So answer is a B. So next, assertion, aromatic aldehyde and formaldehyde undergo Cannizzaro reaction. A reason, aromatic aldehyde are almost as reactive as formaldehyde. The statement 1 is correct, because formaldehyde, acetaldehyde do not contain alpha hydrogen, so both are give the Cannizzaro reaction. Aromatic aldehyde are almost as reactive as a formaldehyde. This sentence is absolutely wrong, because formaldehyde is more reactive than the aromatic aldehyde. You already know that. So this statement is wrong. So assertion is true and reason is false. This is that. I hope you understand properly this concept of the Cannizzaro reactions. Subscribe the channel and share your friends. Thank you for watching.